Hello, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Julie.
So now we're going to do a how to play and playthrough of Cellulose, which is a botany game with some educational merit to it. And so the object is to score the most points to make a plant healthy. So here's a plant that Julie and I are trying to make as healthy as possible. And we're going to keep track of health points along the edges here. Now, how do we make this plant healthy? Well, we got to build up the cell wall here with carbohydrates, which are these green cubes here. So we're going to be, it's a worker placement game. And maybe I'll put this, I don't know where I'll put this now. I'll put it right here on this camera. Here we go for now, in case I need to point out.
There you go. That's perfect.
All right,
spot.
so anyway, it takes up a lot of space, and we want to zoom in as close as possible. So you have the shoot part of the tree and the root part, and there's different phases of the game that we will be getting resources and spending those resources to build up the cell wall. Now, when it gets to the very end here, the game ends, and so we can add to the cell wall, but at nighttime, it always adds a carbohydrate to the cell wall. So at some point, even if we're not adding to it, the game will end because the game will add to it. It will build it up on its own anyway. And so how you set up the game, each player begins with their piece here, one on the shoot, the top part above ground, and one piece on the, they're called plant growth markers, one on the root part. And we'll be moving these, and you can, once you go though up to a spot here, and we can occupy the same spots, you can't go backwards, and these can't go down to the roots. So these stay up above here. So if I go like this, I can't move this any further. My marker will be here, and in sunrise, I'm going to get carbon dioxide. I can do a photosynthesis action, but to move there, I'm going to have to spend 2 hormones. So anytime you see a number in red, you have to expend that many resources to move there or to use that space. Julie might go all the way up here. And if you see anything with an exclamation, that's a one-time bonus that when you move there, you get that, in this case, health points. Or you can get a card that you can use. So you could, for instance, go boom, boom, and here, like this, but you can't go backwards. So if you do end up going to the right here or to the left here, you just won't, you'll be committed to that part of the shoot. And, we could even both be there if you want. But right now, we start here. And we're only going to get 1 carbon dioxide at the beginning on the sunrise. Now here on the root, same thing. You can go down if you really want to go all the way down here. You'll be getting 6 water, but it costs 2 ATPs and 2 hormones. Well, first you have to go to this one. It costs 1 hormone, and there's ways to move these. You just got to spend the resources to do it and take the actions here. Now here on this board, you'll see that there are cards that you can acquire, and those are called, I tried to memorize it beforehand. What are those cards here? Cell component cards. Now, any time you see X's, by the way, we are playing on the 1 to 3 player side of the board. There's a 4 to 5 player side of the board. So at nighttime, you see there's these markers here. They'll help remind us of the phases. So we're going to do sunrise, where we get our resources, depending on where our plant markers are. Then we do daytime, where we're going to place our I guess, what are they called, beakers? Action markers. Well, they look like beakers. So you're going to be placing our action markers on different parts of the board. And then eventually, the cards will slide off. And these cards will help you get points. So anytime you see these flowers with the white symbols in it, will give you points. To acquire this card, you just got to put a marker on it. Either in a 1 or 2 player game, you start out with 1 gray action marker. In a 4 or 5 player game, you're going to try to get more markers up here, but you don't start out with that many markers. You just start out with your color. So if I go here, for instance, I can place either color I want, and I can get this for free, and then it goes in my hand. But if I want to use it, I'm going to have to spend 2 protein and 5 water. If I do, you see this color right here, that means it's an immediate action, and I'll get 4 points Okay, right here, 4 points. And then I could take an action marker off the board to use that same turn.
That's what that means on the bottom, that white
Yeah,
thing?
that's
Okay.
what that means. Now, if I show you the anatomy of the enzyme, and I'm going to show you what all things do on the board here, but I just wanted to go over the cards real quick. I don't know why I'm going in this order, but I am. It costs you 2 protein to play this card. Remember, you can hold them in your hand. All right? And you can have as many cards in your hand as you want. And you can have as many cards played as you want. So when you pay the 2 protein, you'll get the 2 victory points, and you can do 2 photosynthesis actions. This is how you get carbohydrates. And anytime you do a photosynthesis action, you got to spend 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide, and you get a carbohydrate. You can do this up to 2 times. Now this will lay in front of your player area. If you want to use this spot, you got to spend a protein when you play another enzyme. So later on, let's say I play this card, I spend the ATP and 2 protein. I get a card, I get 3 victory points, and it lays down. And then, if I want to, if I have another protein, and I could do a photosynthesis action, which means I could spend 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide. So just keep in mind that protein stack, you can use them when you play another protein. And when can you play when can you play cards? Well, you can play cards every time you you place an action marker. And so we start out with four action markers. In this 2-player one, we might be able to get a 5th one, and I'm going to explain how that happens. But every time I put down an action marker, I can play a card out of my hand. Only time I can use an enzyme, though, that's already laid down is if I play another enzyme. So now I would have 2 enzymes, and if I were to play a 3rd enzyme, I can use both of these, provided, of course, I can pay the costs. So if I wanted to use both these on a future enzyme play, I have to pay a protein, get a card, pay a protein, do a photosynthesis action, and then, but I don't have a 3rd protein to show you right now to make that happen. Now, what are these? So keep in mind that the lighter part of the card is an immediate action, and if it's orange like this, that means it happens later with the enzymes. Now, this card, the pink ones, are to be scored at the end of the game. So you pay an ATP, 2 protein, you lay it down, and this means that at the end of the game, you get 1 victory point for every water that you generate in the root system. So if I were managed to get this all the way down here, I'd get 6 victory points because my plant marker is on a 6 water here. Now you see that these little circles here, this is the central vacuole. So now I'm going to start going over how to use the board. So keep in mind, 2 of these are going to come off. If you want to use this space, it costs a carbon dioxide, 2 carbon dioxide, 3 carbon dioxide. And there's a nice little handy reference here. It also gives you the round structure right here, card, and action icons. All right. So when you go out to the board here, keep in mind that you can only place 1 color in these boxes. Okay. In the small boxes, only 1 action marker can go there. It doesn't matter who the player is. So I can go here, Julie can go here, and then if one of us wants to go there again, we can play a gray marker. But then Julie could not play her gray marker there because you can only have 1 of each color. And so the small locations, only 1 marker can go there. And now how are you going to use these locations? So why do you want to go on the xylem? Because it gives you water. And remember, you need 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide to create carbohydrates, which you can add to the cell wall. When you add to the cell wall, you're getting victory points. If you're the first one to go there, you get 12. Second one, 12. Third one, 10. But again, the game is going to be adding to this. So at times, you're going to miss out on getting points because let's say you really wanted to get that 9. Well, at nighttime, the game puts 1 there. So now the next person to go there is an 8 unless the game goes there again. So what are we doing right here? You can get as much water as to where the water level is. At the beginning of the game, you look right here, it's only at a level 5. Once it gets up to here, at nighttime it resets to when something's been the cell wall has been totally built out. So now it will be a level 6. If this is built out all the way to here, now we have 8 water we can use. And so if someone goes here, if I go here at the beginning of the game, I'm going to get 5 water. So I'll take 5 water and I put it right here. And then I can decide to use 0, 1, 2, or 3 to add it to the central vacuole. And I'm going to put it right here where my color is. So let's say I put 3 here, and then I put 2 in my area to use later. Now, why would I want to go here? Because whoever has the most water here will be able to move up their vacuole marker and get victory points. So you can get 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is that? Oh, if you keep on winning, you get 2. So this is the max you can go, but if you keep on winning, you get 2 victory points. Now, why would you want to win it? Not only do you get health points, but then you get this other marker. So then at the next round, I would have 5 markers to use. So that's one reason to do that, is to put water here. And this is, again, to help the plant growth. You got to have water in the central vacuole. Now, Julie, let's say Julie only got 2 there. Well, at nighttime, that's what this reminder is. We first remove all of our markers at nighttime, and then here we do the central vacuole. I won this one. I go up. I get a victory point. I take the extra marker here. Mine come off, but Julie stays there. So that means that she has a better chance of winning it next time. So that's a good mechanic that they threw in there. By the way, why does Julie have 2 water here off to the side right here? Because being the second player, she starts out with more water. And if you really want to see where that is in setup, when you play with more players, you'll see third player gets even more, fourth and fifth player. So let's talk about the other areas of the board here. So and then every time you do this here, it drops down. You cannot do it when it's at the lowest. You can't go into the X. So it starts at 5, eventually we'll get to 6 and 8, depending on how much the cell wall is built. Now you can go to this stomata, and you can get carbon dioxide. The small one's a 6, the little one's a 4, and it does drop the water down as you do it. I don't know if we did that every time when we were playing.
Mm-mm.
I don't think we did. But you can use it even when it's at 3. So I couldn't do this if it's at 3, but I could do this. You can keep on getting carbon dioxide regardless if it's at the lowest level. Okay, so we got to remember to do that this time. All right, so you put the central vacuole markers here. The chloroplasts, this is where you can do photosynthesis. Just remember, 6 plus 6, 6 water, 6 carbon dioxide gets you a carbohydrate. And what's nice about having carbohydrates is that you can spin them to get ATPs over here. So if I go over here, I got to spend, that's why it's in red, I got to spend a carbohydrate, and then I get ATPs, which in the Kickstarter edition are these metal ones. Okay, now why do I want ATPs? Because you can use them to buy cards. And I think there's, it's mostly for card. Oh,
no, for the plant
also for
too.
the plant too.
Mm-hmm.
You can see you need ATPs. And I kept this open here. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate.
Wow.
Triphosphate. Okay.
I'll
so
stick to the ATP.
the ATP.
Yeah.
But you'll see, for instance, you can get starch. This is one of the more powerful cards here. So you got to ask yourself, do you do photosynthesis? Do you do this action here to place carbohydrates in the cell wall and get points here? Or do you instead play this card out of your hand to get more cell component cards? So if I play 2 carbohydrates, I'll get 12 points, but then I'm not adding to the cell wall. So that's kind of the tension there, is that you can, these are not out yet, you can get starch and get a lot of points if you get enough carbohydrates to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, so here, photosynthesis, you can do it up to 2 times if you have enough water, and you need 12 then if you're going to do it 2 times, you get 2 carbohydrates. Here, you're basically going to go here, spend carbohydrates to build the cell wall, and you also get a water. When you see that +1 little circle there, you also get a water in the vacuole, which will help you get victory points there. Here is where you can spend carbohydrates to get ATPs. Here's where now this is where you got to go to move up on the plant, to go up into the shoot or go on to the root, or to choose either one, but you got to pay 1 protein to do it. So but you got to remember, you still got to pay the cost if you're moving up. So if I want to go up to this one, I need a hormone. I need 1 hormone. So just because I pay here, I put a marker here, right? I still got to pay the cost to go on the plant. Here is where if someone pays a carbon dioxide, you can get the first player marker and you get a card. Here's where you get proteins. So that is...
And there's where you get the cytoplasm.
Oh, that's right. And that's where you... Oh, I did say that. That's
Did
where you
you?
get... Oh, did I? No, I
don't
didn't.
think
That's
you
where you get hormones. So you're going to be getting resources to do certain things. You're going to need them to move on the plant board. You're going to need them to play cards. And you're definitely going to need resources to get... Carbohydrates is the key to this game. You really need carbohydrates to get points.
Yep.
I don't see how... I mean, yeah, could you play water and proteins here and ATPs? Yeah, but then you still need carbohydrates to get ATPs.
Right.
So either way, what we found out is that your focus is getting lots of carbohydrates. Maybe there's another strategy, and that's not a bad thing. It's just, you know, it's like other games, other worker placement games. There's certain resources that you want over others.
Yep.
All right, so I got the first player marker, and Julie has her 2 bonus water.
Mm-hmm.
And this is, again, there's some pieces here that are in the, actually I'll show it on here, in the Kickstarter edition, like the metal ATPs. So it does come with the cardboard versions. All right, so I'm going to put that over here, out of the way, and go here. Oh, the phases. One last thing. We're going to do a daytime phase, so we check here. We see where our plant markers are. We each get a carbon dioxide. So I'm putting mine there. We don't get anything here. 0 water in the root. Okay, so that's sunrise. As always, you see where your markers are and you get resources. It's basically free stuff. Now we're doing the daytime phase. So now we're going to place... Oh, this goes up here. By the way, if there's a tie, if Julie and I both move up, no one gets the marker. But we do get the same points. And our stuff, all of our water comes off. So then we're going to be placing these. Nighttime is when you determine who wins this. You place a carbohydrate on the wall. We reset the water level. And then we lose 2 cards. And then we go back to sunrise again. All right. So I know that I want water. So that's the advantage of going first. I get 5 water. But Julie starts out with 2 water. So I did that action, and here's my 5 water. I'm going to put it right here.
3 hormones.
Is it 3 or 2?
3.
Yeah, 3. So why don't you put it off to this?
Thank you.
Why don't you put it right here?
Sure.
We'll move these over here.
Okay.
That way they can see it a little bit.
All right.
What's going on. In fact, I'll put it here. Trying to work with a small... because we want to zoom in as close as possible for you. All right. Now I could go here again. I get... Oh, this is supposed to drop down. I forgot to drop it down. I could get 4 water. But I need carbon dioxide. I want to get 6, so I'm going to take this marker here that says 6. I can break it apart later. And the water drops down. Your turn. Actually, you know what? I want to make it a pink flask. What am I doing? Okay, reset that.
Okay, I want 5.
5 what? Protein?
Proteins.
Okay. So instead of getting in and out of the thing, we'll put it off down below here, so I don't have to keep on reaching.
Okay.
Okay, so there's Julie's resources. Now, I almost have enough to do photosynthesis, but I need 1 more water. I can't go here to get water. If I move up here, I could potentially get that. So I am going to get 2 hormones. Okay, your turn. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, you're paid. Okay.
Paid to go down into the root.
So I wonder, are we paying 1 for everyone or just for that one?
What do you mean?
I think the cost is only 1 to go up, either up or down.
Why? I'm only going down.
So you don't have to pay at all. There's no cost right here.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm saying? They would have a 1 there too.
Oh, okay. So there you're just deciding which way you want to go? That doesn't make sense.
Well, it would make more sense in a 4 or 5 player game because stuff might be blocked.
Oh, okay.
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 So, like for instance here, see how they put the 1 there and the 1 there in both?
Yeah.
They didn't do that there.
Okay.
So I don't think it costs you a protein. So you want to go down Okay, so Julie just went down.
Actually, I'm going to go...
That means you're committed.
I don't have an ATP. I'm going to go this way.
Okay, so it costs you a hormone to move down.
Yep.
Now, she doesn't get that right away. Only in the sunrise she gets that, because it would have to have an exclamation mark to get it right away. But at least she got there. Now, for me, I can go up and get more, but I want more water. So I don't have. So this is where, yeah, I would have to go there if I want to go down, because you took the root action. But I don't have a protein to do it. Instead, I'm going to get that. So I need to somehow get water into there. I can't do that action because I lowered the water too much. See, I messed myself up. I can put a water into there if I had to build the cell wall, but I can't.
Mm-mm.
So I just better get proteins by... I'll just get 4 carbohydrates. No, I'll get 3 proteins. See? I can't decide what to do. All right, so we're done with that round. Nobody got
No,
it.
I still have to do mine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
So you got 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
All right.
All right. So the first thing you do is that we place all our action markers. We claim them all now, including 1 gray.
I think you took one of mine, didn't you? Oh, no, I got
you
mine.
got it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Nobody did this action, so now we add. So nobody got anything here.
Mm-mm.
We add to the cell wall. So we missed out on getting that first 12. And we reset. We check here. It's still at the 1 mark. It hasn't gotten to here yet. So it resets to the 5, which is that 1 mark. See how there's a 1, a 1 slash or a minus sign. Then we raise the water level. We discard 2 cards. And reveal 2 others. Okay. That was nighttime. We're in the next phase. We do sunrise. And in sunrise, we get each a carbon dioxide.
And I get 2 water.
And Julie gets 2 water because she was able to move her plant marker down. I did not. So, I still need more water. Now, I'm still the first player because Julie did not go here to become the first player. So I stay the first player. I want water. That's what I want. So I'm going to go here again. And I'll get 5. I'm going to get 5 water, but I'm going to exchange 1 for a 6. And then I'm going to place 2 into here. So you're going down again?
Mm-hmm.
And you're paying 1 hormone. We'll just put it here. Okay. Now I do have enough for photosynthesis to get 1 carbohydrate. First, though, I'm going to go up the chute. I'll go here. Pay my 1 hormone. Your turn. Oh, you know what? It's already at the 4. I forgot to move it down.
That's fine. I'll take 3 water.
Well, you get 4 water.
4 water.
Yeah. Now it moves down.
Oops, sorry, hon. I mean to
There you go.
poke
Do you
you there.
want to compete with me there or not care? Because you could put 3 and beat me to it. But then you're using a lot of water to do that.
Nah, I don't care.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? I am going to put 2 there.
All right. So right now we're tied.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I need to move down. Okay. So I'm going to...
You have to pay.
Or you know what? You know what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do photosynthesis. I'm going to take this spot just so you can't... Well, you won't be able to use it anyways. I'm going to go here. Convert my 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide for a carbohydrate. I'm done.
Actually, I can go there. I have 6 and 6.
Oh, okay. Here, just put it off to this. Put it off to the side of your stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So you went there too.
I need a green thing,
Yes. Okay.
please. Sorry, I didn't mean to be bossy. I
That's
apologize.
okay. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna beat you there.
That's fine.
So I get a +1,
Yep.
And I'm going to turn it into carbohydrate and get that 12 points.
Good for you.
So I go to the 12. You have a marker left.
I'm going to go here. I'm going to pay this and I get 6 ATP.
Okay, so you can use that to get cards and stuff. All right.
I'm all done. I don't have anything else to play.
All right, so we're going to nighttime. We pull our markers. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Why am I taking your stuff?
That's all right. It's okay. No biggie.
Okay. We do the vacuole now. I have 3, so I go up 1 point, and I get the additional action marker. Mine come off, but Julie is ahead of me now for 2 on the next round. We raise the water level back up. Oh, wait, we forgot to do the add to the cell wall. The game adds to the cell wall.
Right.
Then it goes back up because it's not reached that spot yet. And we discard these 2 cards. All right. Now we're in sunrise. I get 2 carbohydrates.
I get
Not
1.
carbohydrates, 2
CO2.
carbon dioxide.
I get 1.
I'm going to move this out of the way.
Okay.
I don't need those cards there. And you get 1
Please.
and
I
4
get 4
water.
water.
So Julia's doing a good job out there. You got your water off to the side there. You can
Oh,
grab
yeah.
it.
Okay.
All right, so that was sunrise. Now we're doing daytime. I still have the first player marker. A little. I need. If I keep on going up, I need ATP, so I need to get carbon dioxide, so I need water. I'll get my 5 water.
I need 3 hormones, please.
You're going to be a root girl, aren't you?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, and then I need carbon dioxide. So I'm going to mess you up, make it go down another level.
Okay. I'm going here. I get 5 points.
Yeah, so Julie gets 5
There's
points because it has an
2
exclamation.
ATP and 2 hormones.
To move there, she had to spend these resources.
Yep. It's okay.
Okay. And now she can't go anymore. Her plant marker is stuck here for the rest of the game, but it's not a bad place to be. She's going to get 6 water every time and 2 water added to the vacuole. So I got to figure out how to compete with her in that because she's going to keep on moving up and she's going to get that extra beaker all the time. Extra action marker. All right, well, I guess I better go up the chute. Spend a hormone. Your turn. Okay, you get 4. You have it off to your side.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
And then
I
I
keep forgetting.
am going to do photosynthesis. And I'll spin that. Get a carbohydrate. Your turn. You can't get any water,
No, it's okay.
but you can get more carbon dioxide
Sure.
if you want to place a gray marker there. You get 4.
Sure. I'll get 4 more. I need 2, please.
2 more.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep.
And then I am going to get some ATPs.
Good for you.
I'm going to get 6,
Nice.
and it costs me 1 carbohydrate. We haven't been getting many cards, but that's going to change soon. All right, so that's it. Collect our markers. I paste my extra gray marker here. Okay, we look at the vacuole. Julie beat me in that. She gets 1 point. And you get the extra action marker. Oops.
Oopsie.
Now we add to the cell wall. Okay, now it's going to go up to 6 water. And we get rid of 2 cards. And there's that starch. That's worth points there. All right, sunrise. I get 4 carbon dioxides. You get 1. You need a 1.
I get 6 water.
You get 6 water and 2 to the vacuole. It's because Julie's over there, and she's going to get that for the rest of the game. So I gotta get more water.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't show how I got my plants up here. I had the picture on. Remember, we can occupy the same space. I got to get my plant marker down on the root. Okay. Sunrise, I'm still the first player. I need water. Get 6. Your turn.
I'm going to take this so you don't get it.
Okay, so Julie got the starch.
I probably won't even use it, but I got it.
Oh, no, it's right here. So put it off to the side there.
Here, I'll put it right here. There you go. That's my extra water that you had me.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Do I move them down?
Oh, we move them down, but we don't replace them. No, we don't move them
No,
down. We don't
okay.
replace them. See, we're thinking of other games we've been playing. It stays here. We
Okay.
don't replace them until
Okay. I just didn't want to mess anything up.
evening.
Okay.
All right. Can I get more water and to take a 2 photosynthesis action, or do I go to the top? I think I need to go to the top. So I need more hormones. I need 3. Because I want to move up, just so you know what I'm looking at, I want to move up to here.
I'm going to do this. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so you get a carbohydrate.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now I'm going to move up on the chute.
Okay.
Now I can go here and get bonus 8 points, but yeah, I'm going to get a free photosynthesis every sunrise. So I'm going to go here. And so I got to pay 2 ATP.
1 hormone.
And 1 hormone. And I get a bonus card.
Nice.
Okay.
What'd you get?
So I'll show it now. Normally Julie wouldn't know what I have, but you know,
What'd you
we're playing open. All right, so this is the end of a game. That's good for me.
Oh, that's real good for you, yeah.
So I'll probably want to play that, and I'll play it right now.
Okay.
Because every time you take an action, you can play a card. So I don't want to forget to play this. So I'm playing 2 ATPs and 1 protein. So now at the end of the game, I'm going to get victory points for every carbon dioxide I get in the chute. So I'm going to get 6 victory points for this card. So I'm just going to put it off to the side here to show that it's played. Okay, your turn. Julie's getting another card. Ah, that's a good one. Let me show what it does.
Sure. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie.
That's okay.
Sorry.
I'm being butterfingers. So since Julie has her plant marker all the way down on the bottom, this is a great card for her. And you want to play it now? You have.
I already paid the 3.
Okay, so what you did, you paid to get the card.
Yeah, I did.
You paid 3 carbon
I did.
dioxide. But now if you want to, every time you take an action, you can play a card.
Oh,
You can play
okay.
a card you just acquired. So
Sure.
It's going to cost 1 ATP.
Okay.
And so
2,
just put it
right?
off to the side.
Oh, all right.
So, but you got to keep that separate from your other cards. So
Oh.
we're going to do this.
Okay. I'm getting a little confused.
We're going to say this row is played, this row is in your hand. Okay?
All right, do it one more time?
You've played this card.
Okay.
This card's in your hand. In fact,
Oh, okay.
we'll just put it on the side here.
Oh,
There you
all
go.
right. That's real good. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Thank you, hon.
All right. So that means Julie is going to get 6 victory points for having that card at the end of the game.
Yeah.
All right. Photosynthesis. Do I want to do that right now or wait? Now I'm getting lots of carbon dioxide in the morning,
Yeah.
so I better get my water now because I'm not getting a lot of water. So I'm going to make this go down and get 5 water.
I'm going to get 6 carbon dioxide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Oh, and I go again.
Yeah, you get to go again because you got the extra one. And you're gonna go up another point on me.
Let's see here. How about I'll just I'll get more water.
Well, you get 4.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you can't
No.
because there's another gray marker there.
Oh, all right. Well, then I'll do.
You can get more carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Oh, by the way, that moved down. We forgot to do that.
I need one more, please. I only have 3
Well,
here.
Why don't you give me?
1, 2.
Okay, those are the 3. This is the 3 you were going to add.
Yeah.
We'll keep it off to here, this side.
Okay.
And you're getting 4, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take 2 and give you a 6. There you go.
Okay.
You're getting 4. You had 2 here. All I did was do 2 plus 4 equals 6.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we collect our markers. We put 1 here.
Gotta do that kind of slow for me. It's hard for me to understand that.
The vacuole, you move up. You get a point.
Oh.
You get the extra marker.
Okay. Nice.
The water comes off. We add to the cell wall.
Yeah.
We raise the water level. It's not at the 8 yet. It's got to get to here to get up to 8.
Now, do we lose both of these?
This one goes away.
And then this goes all the way down?
Yeah, then you reveal 3 cards.
All right.
Okay. All right, so now we do sunrise. I am going to do my free photosynthesis action. So this is one reason why I go up there, because it's a way to get a carbohydrate in the morning.
Yeah.
Because I get 6 carbon dioxide and I get a free photosynthesis action. Julie gets 1, but then you add 2 to here. Like I said, add 2 to the vacuole, and you get a 6 water.
Do I just do this one?
Yeah, just take that.
All
Take
right.
that one. Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Put it all together.
Move that over. It's a white.
Okay, so
pile.
yeah, we've done all that.
Yep.
I got to get down into the root.
I have to go up.
Yeah, we both haven't done that yet. I'm still the first player, though. I'm going to do photosynthesis here, even though I can't do 2. I'm going to prevent you from doing 2.
Even though you already did it?
It doesn't matter. I'm turning in this,
Okay.
and we get another carbohydrate. Okay, you're doing it, and you get a carbohydrate. Do you have one off to the side?
No.
Okay, you have 2.
Yeah.
All right, so I got to beat you to this. Get 1 added to the vacuole, and then I'm adding to the cell wall. I get 8.
Well, I want to do this, but I don't understand.
Well, you got to do an action first, and then you can play the card. So,
Okay.
in fact, you could have did that already.
No, I just got the green one.
That's right. So last turn you could have did this.
Okay. I'll get.
Okay, so stop.
Okay.
Every time you do an action,
Yeah.
when you did this,
Yeah.
you could have played this card. So let's do that. So
Okay.
you played 2 carbohydrates. You go up 12. So we went back in time. Julie doesn't remember that you can play a cell component card after you take an action.
12.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you get 3 cards.
From here?
And you get to keep 1. So this card has been played. So we're going to put it off to the side here.
Now,
Well,
will you help me with these, please?
Yes, I'll help you. This
Thank
is what
you.
Julie, so Julie gets to keep 1 of these.
Okay.
Because what this card does, she draws 3, discards 2. And you can discard from your hand if you want to. But she doesn't have any cards in her hand, so that doesn't apply.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. These are all enzymes. So remember, the more enzymes you get, the more you can get. You can do actions where they build on each other.
Okay.
So if you play this at some point in the future, you get 2 victory points. You can do 2 photosynthesis actions, and when you play another enzyme, you can play a protein. You get another photosynthesis. So in other words, this is a good way to get carbohydrates without having to take an action to do it.
Okay.
Here, it's just getting a card.
I don't want that one.
Okay. Here, you get to add to the cell wall, which could be good. So I think one of these 2 you should do. Which one do you want?
I'll do the Rubisco, with the
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put it here.
Okay.
on its side like that to show that it hasn't been played yet.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now remember, that was the last turn.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn because I want to make sure that you're playing efficiently. Now, if you want to play that card, you could.
I might get 5 red. I have 2 red already. I just need 3 more.
Okay, you're getting your proteins.
Yes.
Okay.
Proteins. Thank you.
So you don't want to play that card, right?
I can't do the photosynthesis yet.
Right. So there's no point.
No.
So you want to keep that.
Yeah.
You want to keep that card in the future because it will save you an action
Right.
when you want to get, especially when you have 2 carbohydrates.
Yeah.
That's when you want to do that.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay. I'll wait.
I'm sorry, not 2 carbohydrates. When you have 12 water and 12 carbon dioxide,
Oh,
so you can
okay.
get 2.
Oh, okay.
That's what I meant.
Okay.
Trying to keep all this stuff straight.
I know.
Okay, I have lots of stuff.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do this action again and build the cell wall.
Good for you.
Okay, move me up 7. And I get another water and the vacuole. So now we're tied there. Okay, your turn. Hey, you get 6 water. So
here.
take that one. All right, and then for me...
Can I put a water in the thing?
Oh, you can put up to 3. You're going to put 2?
Yeah.
Gosh darn it. Do I even want to compete with you there? I don't know.
No.
It's even worth it.
It's not worth it.
Oh, I know how I will. I want to go here.
Okay.
I want to play an ATP and a protein because
Nice.
I do it after an action.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to play, that means I'm playing the card. Moving up 3 victory points and I get 3 in the vacuole.
Nice job.
Now in the future, if I play another protein, I can get 2 in the vacuole if I play another enzyme.
I want more water. I need 5 more water.
Give me a 1. Okay, so that means do you want to put up to 3 in? What do you want to put in there? So now we're tied. Do you want to put 1 more in there?
Yeah.
Okay, that means I got to break it apart.
Sorry.
That's okay. 3, 4, 5. So you are going to beat me.
Do I put 1 up there now?
No, I'm doing it for you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so now you're beating me there.
And then I have 1 more guy to go.
Because you keep on getting the extra one and I don't.
Sorry.
No, that's good. That's you being competitive.
I know. I'll do that.
6. Yeah, so you're getting a lot of resources. I'm kind of anemic here. I don't have very much. All right, that means it's close. It's a close game. All right, take our action markers and 1 gray. This goes here. We do the vacuole. You beat me. You go up 2 points. You get the extra marker. But look, I have 5 sitting there for next turn.
That's okay.
Here, put this off to the side for
All
you.
right, thank you.
Okay, we add to the cell wall. All right, now the water is at, oh, it's not there yet. It's almost there.
Yeah.
Reset the water. We're still at 6.
I get rid of
This
that
one goes away.
Okay. 2 more.
And then we do sunrise.
Yep.
I can't take advantage of that photosynthesis.
I get 1. And I get 6 water.
And I don't get a card here. That's a one-time thing.
3, 4,
And
5, 6.
did you get your carbon dioxide?
Yeah, I took
Get your
it.
6 water?
Yeah.
Did you put 2 water here?
No, I don't have any more waters to do that
Okay.
with.
So it comes out of the general supply. It doesn't come from your water. It comes from the general supply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is
Your turn.
daytime. Yeah, I'm still first player. You haven't taken that from me yet.
Yeah.
I need water.
Go ahead.
And I'm not going to put any there. If you really want to add a lot in there, you could.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
But I am going to take this from you. And I'm going to build 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right?
Yeah.
Did I do it right?
That's 12.
Okay.
So Julie, here, put it all in my hand.
There you go.
So Julie has 12 water and 12 carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
And you get 2 carbohydrates.
Yeah.
Which means you can add to the cell wall.
Yep.
You even get more ATPs, or you even get the starch and get another 12 points.
Yep.
I'm not going to try to compete with you for that. Instead, I got to move down. I'm missing out on getting water every turn. So I will pay... I want to get 6 water every turn. So I got to keep on going down. I want to pay 2. I'm going to pay my 1 hormone. All right, your turn. Now you can play that card right away. Okay, so Julie's paying 2 carbohydrates, playing it. And then, yeah, she gets 12 points.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so Julie's beating me right now. And look, she has 2 starches. And now you get 3 cards.
Oh, yeah.
I'll help you figure out
Thank
which one
you.
to go for.
I appreciate that.
Now, keep in mind now, you will not be able to play this card right away. You have to wait till you do another action.
Oh, all right. Sure.
Because you just did that card.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this just gives you 4 victory points. And if you activate it with another enzyme, you can get 2 more victory points in the future.
Okay, I like that.
This allows you to take an action marker back.
Yeah.
It's a one-time thing.
No.
And it's the same as the other
I
one.
want that one. The DNA.
Okay.
Yeah. I want
Okay.
that.
So let's look here how you can do some synergy here. If you do play this one,
I don't understand all that stuff. It's
if
very
you
confusing.
play this one,
Yeah.
you get 2 photosynthesis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then in the future, if you play this one, you
Yeah.
can also play this card again and get 1 photosynthesis if you pay the 1 protein.
Oh, all right.
So in other words, it stacks up. It's like when we play Legendary or other card like Clank, when things trigger other things, or Dominion. Think of it like that.
Okay.
You play this card, it triggers the other card.
Okay.
All right. That was your turn, right?
Yeah.
See, the board makes you look like it's... Camera's a little... You may wonder, why is the board a little off kilter there? It's because of the way the cameras are mounted, and we can't do much about it.
Nope.
But it bothers me.
I know it bothers you, sweetie.
Yeah, you're patient with me.
I know.
Okay, so I can get a carbohydrate. But I'm going to get a free photosynthesis anyway. So let's just get 6 carbohydrates.
That's what I was going to do.
And it goes down 1.
I'm going to get 4.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
And it goes down to the lowest level.
Yep.
Now for me, I'm going to get some hormones. Oh, I don't need hormones. I will go down the route again, pay my 1 protein,
Okay.
and go down to here.
I'm going to go up. And I'll pay my 1 hormone.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so now
Wait,
we are...
I still have one more thing.
Yeah, you do have one more action. I forgot.
I'm going to get...
3 hormones?
Yeah, please. That way I have
Get the
enough.
one on your right. Okay.
Okay.
All
Now
right.
I'm done.
Now we have... We retrieve our markers. And 1 gray. Put 1 gray at the top. All right, so you didn't try to compete with me this
Nope.
time? It wasn't worth it?
Not at all.
Hey, I got 1 victory point.
Yay.
And I get the extra marker. We add to the cell wall. Now the water is at 8.
This goes away.
Yep. Okay, so now we do sunrise. I will do my free photosynthesis action.
Okay.
Get a carbohydrate, and I get 6 carbohydrates. Finally, I get 4 water down here.
I get 6 water to go up here, and I get 2 CO2. Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
and that's it. So now we're in the... There's a nice starch there. There's even better starch over here.
Yep.
But then you need 3 carbohydrates. I don't know if I can get that many carbohydrates. Instead, I need the water. So I get 8. Did I take what you wanted to do? No comment?
No comment. I'm going to get 6.
Okay. All right. I need to get some ATPs. Bummer, I gotta pay for that. I'm gonna pay my carbohydrate to get 6 ATPs. It might be a waste, but if I want to play cards, I need it. 4, 5, 6.
And 6 water. I have 4 here. I just need 2 more, please.
6 water. Let's give you a thing, honey.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Now for me, I want to move down.
Okay.
Oh, I need protein. Okay. Getting 5 protein.
Okay, I'm going to move up to right there. And here's my hormone.
Okay, so you paid your hormone. Mm-hmm. All right, for me, now I can go down. Because I can pay the... oh, why did I get protein?
I don't know.
I don't know why I did. Because I thought I had to... I wasn't looking carefully. That's okay.
That's okay.
I'm going to need it later for cards.
Sure.
So I'm going to go down here. Mm-hmm. I pay the 2 ATPs. Oh. I'm sorry. I meant to get hormones. That's where I messed up. I meant to get hormones, honey.
That's fine. I'm not worried about it.
Because that was the whole point. I wanted to go down where you were, and I'm going, oh, what do I need? Okay, now I can pay the 2 hormones and the 2 ATPs.
How do I get to do this?
Okay, I get 5 victory points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to play this card. I haven't played these yet, have I?
I don't know.
No, I did. Because we're both sitting up. Let me see here.
You did play that one. Remember you put water up there.
Yeah, I did play these. Okay. So let me put this over here like this so you can see them a little better. All right, so I've already played my cards. So, do I want to acquire a card? Now, what was your question?
How do I get to play that one?
After an action.
All right, well, I'll do this. I'll get the starch.
Okay, hang on.
Right?
Let me show it on camera. So you're getting the starch for free. Okay, very good. And because you took an action, which one are you going to play? That one?
Yeah.
Because you got to pay your 2 protein.
2 protein.
Okay, and then
I'm going to do this.
Well, let's show it on camera. You get how many victory points? 2?
2.
Okay, move up 2.
Okay.
And then you can do 2 photosynthesis.
All right, I got it.
Let me move these up here a little bit.
6.
So we'll put
4, 6. Okay.
Wow, that's good. You're
I get 2 green things.
You're being more aggressive this game. The first time we played, Julie didn't quite use the cards, but you're using them this time really well.
Thank you.
So, yeah, so now keep in mind, if you're playing an enzyme, you can get a free photosynthesis.
Don't I get 2 of those right now?
Did you pay your 12?
I did.
All right, so yes, you do.
And then I go up.
You already did.
Oh.
You already went up 2.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, my turn. I get an action here.
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to do 2. I'm going to get a free one anyway. So what can I get? I'm going to need later. I can get this card. Yeah, I'm going to get this card.
Okay. Nice job.
Yeah, that's 18 points.
Yeah, I know, it's good.
So...
You're going to do it right now, too?
I don't have the 3.
Oh.
But I got to pay 3 carbon dioxides.
Gotcha.
All right, so we're done, right?
Yep.
Okay, you go up. You get 3 points. You get the extra marker. Oh, we forgot to take our markers first. So Julie starts with the extra marker.
Those go away, though.
Yes. And then we add to the cell wall. We only have so many turns left.
Yeah.
This goes away. Slide it down. We got some enzymes coming up, which you can get some, trigger effects. All right, so now we're on sunrise. I will do my free photosynthesis.
I get
Get
4
my 6
CO2.
carbon dioxide. Look, I get 6 water too now.
3, 4. Oh, good for you. Nice
I had
job.
to go there to compete with you.
Nice job,
And
buddy.
we both add to the... So
Yep.
now, this has been canceled out. Now, I'm more competitive with you there now. Okay, I'm still the first player, though.
Yep.
Where am I going to go? I'm going to go here and get 6 carbon dioxide. This moves it down.
Get 6 water.
Here, are you going to place any?
Nah, it's not even worth the competition. I'm not going to waste
Yeah,
my
but
water.
the extra actions can be helpful.
Fine, I'll put 1 in. There.
Okay, because you can put up to 3.
I know.
Okay, I'm going to do photosynthesis here. I'm going to do...
Oh, wait, I played a card, right? So don't I get to do my card?
Okay, so you did an action. You can do your card. What card do you want to do?
Starch. Get 12 more points.
Do you have 2 carb? Ah, wow, you have 2 carbohydrates to do it. What the heck? All right, go up 12 points.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So Julie has 50 now. So we turn it over at the 50.
And I get... You have to help me. 3 cards.
3 cards, you get
Yeah.
to keep 1.
Yep.
Okay. So this is the end of the game scoring here.
What does that mean?
And I think you get 1 point for every starch. This one I have to look up. So let's see here. Here we go. We're on camera, honey.
Which one's the starch again?
Not starch. I'm sorry. 1 for every, I think, enzyme. So, okay. So every sunrise you may pay 1 protein to activate 1 of your previously played enzyme cards. That can be good. And yeah, you get 1 health point per enzyme card. So what that means is that if you were to get this card, okay, that you can do a free if you pay a protein, you can do a photosynthesis at sunrise if you want. And you'll get 1 victory point at the end for, well, actually 2, because this card no, this card is not an enzyme. You'll get 1 point at the end of the game for having that card.
Okay.
All right, so let's see what else you got. You also have this is just points and get your action marker back. At sunrise, you get 1 for every... At sunrise, you get +1 vacuole. And at the end of the game, where you're at in the vacuole is ×2 points. So that means right here, you'd get 6 points, but if you're up here, you get 8 points. You want this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best one. I agree. Put it sideways. So
I can pay for it right now.
you want to do it right now?
Sure.
Oh, you don't forget to use it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just stack up your starches. You've already gotten the points for those. Okay. So now you got to remember, at sunrise, you're going to get a free water in the vacuole.
Yeah.
Now it is my turn, right?
Yes, it is.
What did you do again? You played a card and got all that,
Right.
got all those points. See, look where Julie is. I'm back here. Okay, I got to do something here. Oh yeah. I was going to do 2 photosynthesis, and you stopped me.
Yep.
All right, so
No, you did do photosynthesis.
I never did it. I haven't paid for it yet.
Oh, okay.
You said, wait a second, I want to play a card.
Yeah, so now I do it.
Okay, so now I'm going to do it. And I get 2 more carbohydrates. Now I'm going to play my starch. Whee!
Yay!
So now this is a way for me to get caught up to Julie.
Big time.
Because this is 18 points.
Right.
Okay. And I get 5 cards,
Oh,
and I
wow.
get to pick
Nice.
2.
Very nice.
All right, let's see what we got here.
What'd you get?
Yeah, I don't care about those cards.
Yeah. I didn't either.
Don't care. Enzymes
Ooh.
are good.
Yeah. Oh, you
Okay.
got the same one I could get. I got 2.
Okay, this card's worthless
Yeah.
for me because I've already gone up,
Yep.
maxed out. So I guess I'm going to keep, this one.
That's the one I got.
Okay, I will definitely keep that one. And this one, I get to do a free membrane placement, so wall placement if I have a carbohydrate. So I'm going to keep those 2.
Oh, that sounds good.
So I'll put those right here.
Okay.
And these two have not been played yet. Okay. Now, I can't play any of those cards because I got those cards playing a card.
Right.
I've used my card action.
I'm going to get 4.
Okay, water goes down.
I need one more, please.
One more what?
CO2, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta put it to the edge, sweetie.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I gotta pay with my carbohydrates. I would have had a big
You're
advantage.
trying to be sneaky, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so we've done this 3 times, right? It should be 1, 2, 3. We've done the 4.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Paying for cards is good, but I don't have any protein. So I gotta get protein. Now I can get my protein.
There you go.
If I had protein.
I'm going to go up over there.
Left or right?
Right there.
All right, you get 8 victory points. You got to pay with an ATP and 2 hormones, which you have. Okay, that's pretty good.
Yep.
Now you're ahead of me.
Not for long.
Very competitive. No, look, you have a lot of resources. I don't. So I'm a little behind here. And I am going to get... What do I want to do? You're going to beat me. I can tie you here if I play a card. Okay. I guess I'll just get 4. And I'm going to play this card. Cost 1 ATP and 2 protein.
Nice.
Now I will get a free vacuole at sunrise. All right. And you're doing photosynthesis, huh?
Yep. Getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have any.
Where's your
here.
carbohydrate? I gave it to you.
All right, and then I get, then I can pay. No, then I'm gonna go here, and use it to get
A cell wall?
no, to get those ATPs.
Okay, so you're
1,
going to do
2, 3. I need 3 more, please.
that. Okay.
Please. Yeah. Thank you. Put them over here with these guys. And then I did that, so now I can do this. 2 of those.
Okay,
2
you're
of
doing it
those.
off camera. Nobody knows what you're doing.
Oh, sorry.
So Julie's going to play that card.
Yep.
Okay, so because you did that action, you can play a card. And so now you're going to get 4 points. Go ahead. Okay, now there's something you got to. There's something I want to help you do.
Okay.
Okay, so you're adding a protein, right?
Yeah.
I mean an enzyme.
Yeah.
So now if you want to paint another protein, you can do photosynthesis, but you don't
I
have
don't have
enough
any
to do
stuff.
it. You don't have enough to do photosynthesis. So now when you play another enzyme, you can do both these cards if you want to do a nice chain reaction.
Oh, you'll have to help me with that if I do that.
So if you do it right, you can get points and free photosynthesis.
Okay.
You just got to play another enzyme.
Okay.
All right, so we're almost done here. Let's add. First we do the vacuole. You go up 4 points. You get the additional marker. Should have did this first. So you have the additional gray marker.
Yep.
Okay. And we add to the cell wall. We put the water level back up. Remove the 2 cards. And now we do sunrise. Now, do we both have this card in play here? This one?
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah.
All right, so it's basically canceling each other out. We both add 3. Because we get 2 down here,
Yeah.
and we have the same card.
Okay.
So I get 6 water and 6. Now I can do this first, which I'm going to do, because you can decide the order, and then I'm going to use what I get to do photosynthesis. Does that make sense? I get my
No.
6 water first,
Okay.
and then I get my 6 carbon dioxide, and then I do photosynthesis. See?
Oh, okay.
And I already had 6 carbon dioxide. You get 8 carbon dioxide.
7, 8.
And you have 6 water.
And then don't I get the +2?
I already did that.
Oh, okay.
Remember I put 3 in here? 2 for this.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
And 1 if you both have this card.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right. Yeah, I got it.
All right, let me move this stuff around here a little bit.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I am first.
Yeah.
She goes 6, 7, 8. Is that 8? Yeah,
Like 8 and 6.
Hmm. I'm going to get 8 water. And I will add, I don't need to add 1. I have 5 versus your 3. I'm not going to use at all. Your turn. So you get 6. And water goes down.
I need 2 more, please, of the clear ones. I don't have any more.
Well, here. Put it off to the side.
Okay.
You can do a nice
That confuses me when you do that so
photosynthesis
much.
action. So I'm going to slow you down.
That's fine.
I'm going to do, to make sure you can't, but then make sure you can't do it, I'm going to do it there and take one of those up right now. Is that nice?
Whatever. I'm not upset. Because you know why?
Why?
Can I do this?
Well, you got to get an enzyme. So what you do
I
is
have
take
one.
an action. No, what you do is you would have to buy one of these cards. You can buy this card for 1 carbon dioxide and then play it.
Okay.
So you're going to put your marker here. You pay a carbon dioxide. You get the card. Now you can play it. So play a protein. Okay, so now...
You're going to have to go really slow because I don't understand
Okay, so
all
now you're
this
playing
stuff.
this enzyme, right?
Yeah.
You get 2 victory points.
Okay.
So you go up 2. You can do this one or this one, but because you want to do a free photosynthesis,
Yeah.
you're going to pay another enzyme.
Okay.
Not another enzyme, another protein, sorry.
Yeah.
And now you get your photosynthesis. You don't have enough protein to do that one too. So go ahead and pay 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide.
And then get my green thing?
Yeah.
All right.
So by buying that card, not
Yeah.
only did you get points, but you also got a carbohydrate out of it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and Julie, look where Julie's at. She's kicking my butt.
I owe him. He kicked my ass last night when we played. It was bad.
Well, you were learning the game. I'm just going to do this action here and go up +1 on the vacuole. And I get 6. Go on, move me up 6, please.
You're watching my math, right? Making sure I'm doing okay.
Your turn. Remember, you can put a blue there if you want to do it. Because the next one is 7, if you want to.
Yeah. All right. So.
But then I might do the 8 next. It's up to you.
That's true. You have a thing. How about, can I just do this?
You want to do another photosynthesis? Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I think I want to do that.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Which means I'm going to help you if I do that, but I don't care. I'm going to go here.
And you get 7?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're tied, honey.
Yeah, but you're going to get the 8 now because you can put your blue there.
Yep.
And you get 1 on the vacuole.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, and you have 1 more action.
I want
Keeping
to.
in mind that you have what you have already.
I'm gonna get.
5 protein.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll do 5.
Yeah, why wouldn't you?
Here,
do
I got
5?
them right here.
Okay. All right. So we're done with that turn. The game's almost over. There's only going to be 1 more action. So remove our...
Oh wait, you took mine.
Oh, yeah, I did, didn't I?
That's all right.
Okay.
No
I did
biggie.
beat you here.
Yeah.
Move me up 2.
All right.
And mine comes off.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we add one, so it's only one. The game's going to end for sure. This is the last round.
Yep.
We do the water level back to 8.
Yep.
We remove this card, shift the other ones down. Okay, sunrise. I'm going to get my 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide, and then I'm going to do photosynthesis and get a carbon right away. Okay, and we each get 3 here. So you are going to beat me there. But we won't get to do nighttime. Do we get to do nighttime when the game ends?
Mm-hmm.
We don't do sunrise. We still do nighttime. Yeah, so when the game ends, you don't do the sunrise phase.
So I still get my 6 water, right?
Yeah. 6 water. You're 8 carbon.
6, 7, 8. And then I put 2 waters up there.
Yeah, I did get this. I did get the extra one. Because I went up.
And you did the waters.
Yes.
Yeah.
I added 3 and 3. You're going to win this for sure. So that means you're going to get 2 more victory points there.
Okay. I think you said that. I'm sorry. I'm just my
But the
brain's
good thing
getting
is you
mushy.
have a card that's going to double this. You're going to get 8 more points.
Yeah.
So I got to look at cards here. +2 for... What does that mean? Let's look it up in the rule book.
Alrighty.
All right, so we're on the main camera now as I look up what that card means.
All right, I'm going to get a drink.
That card, during the end game scoring, score 2 health points per PSV card you have played. So PSV cards are cards that allow you to take markers back,
Okay.
action markers, but I haven't played any, so that's not going to be useful. All right, so that's not a good one. I don't care about beating you there, but it is 3 victory points. So that is something to do. But this is worth 4 victory points. But it's going to cost 5 water to do it. Well, I know this. I'm going to complete the cell wall before you do. At least I can get to 6 points. So we complete our actions. So we're tied.
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to do?
I might as well just go there so I can get 4 more points.
Yeah. And then you play it right away. So you need to pay 2 and 5. So I'll give you 1 back. So hey, at least you, and then you can reclaim your marker. You play it right away and you get your marker back. Okay, but Lisa, how many points did you go up?
4.
Okay, you got it, right?
Yep.
So you're going to beat me to points. I'll go here. Pay 3. I get 2 points and pay my protein. Move me up 2, please.
I did.
Oh, it's a protein. So hang on. So if you look on my cards here, I pay another protein, which I will. I'll go up 2 on the vacuole, 2 water. So now we're competing here. I might be able to get some more points there. Okay, so what are you going to do?
And go here. Pay 2. I get 3.
Right, pay 2. Oh, you pay 2, but then
To
you're
do
going to...
that. And then I
but then
have
you're
an
gonna-
ATP and a protein.
Ah, so now you get 3 victory points. And you get 3 in the back. Ah, see, now I won't be able to compete with you, I don't think. I don't know. No, was that a protein? No, that's an enzyme, I mean. Okay, so here you go. How many proteins left? You do.
Yeah.
So, do this one. How many victory points does that give you?
2.
And it doesn't hurt you to, it doesn't help you to do photosynthesis again.
All
But
right.
you can't do it anyways. You don't have enough resources. So at least you went up 2 victory points.
Yeah.
Okay, so very cool.
I still have 3 more things.
Okay, but I got to go too. This is not going to help us.
Mm-mm.
But I could play this card. But I only guess that's only if I do a cell wall. I can get 3 victory points for it. At least. And then... So I'm going to get more protein. Get 5. Your turn. Get 8 water. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, I'm going to play this card. And cost 2 ATP and a protein. Can we get 3 victory points?
Sure.
And I get 1 in the vacuole. And then here, I can add another protein to get 2 more in the vacuum. Oh, I gotta go to the right camera. I paid another protein to get 2 more in the vacuole right here. So we're racing to try to. You're still kicking my butt there. Where's she gonna go?
I don't know.
Are you sure? I'll give you a hint. Go to the first player marker and get a card.
All right.
Okay, so you got the first player marker, and you get a card which you might be able to play. 2 water. But you can't play it yet. So we're going to keep it here. If you get some protein, you can play it.
All right.
Okay, what you can do next turn. Okay, my turn. I'm going to do the water. I'm going to put 3 into there. And keep 3. And it drops down.
13.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I already dropped it down.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
If I can get another one there, I will.
I'm going to do it. Oh, I can't because there's a gray there.
You're right.
Sucks.
Here, you're just going to do this card. Here, get protein. You get 3 protein. Just only put 1 here. Okay. You pay your 2 water. You paid your 2 protein. You get to take back an action. Now, go up 2 victory points. Put this off to the side. And I can't do anything. I can't go there. I can't get any cards. There's nowhere to add. Now let me make sure. Let me look up the tie breaking. All right, so since this is a very close game, I need to look at what tie breaking stuff there are. Okay, you score 4 health points for any unused carbohydrates. I'm not going to be able to get any. Knowing that, you could have gotten maybe.
I can get another one. I still have another thing left.
Then that's good for you. You're going to want to do that, yes. Additional water, CO2, plant growth hormones, proteins, and ATPs do not score any points. And tie breaking is, in the case of a tie, the player furthest along the central vacuole track wins, which would be you.
No, it's you. You're further along.
I've been moving up the wrong guy, I think.
No, you've been moving up the right guy.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're right.
Okay. I've won that many times? No,
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes, you have.
I think
I've only won a few times.
I think I switched it, Julie.
No, honey, I don't think you did. I've been watching you. I haven't done it very often.
You've done it more than... I think I switched it. You're supposed to be there.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
I know you've won more because you kept on getting all that free stuff.
All right.
Yeah. So, I just switched colors by accident. There may be a difference in 1 point somewhere.
Maybe.
Okay? But I know you maxed out before me.
Okay.
Because you kept on getting the extra movement markers. I wasn't. I just screwed up moving the wrong thing. Okay. So, knowing that, I don't think I can do anything else. I can't do... This is not going to help me. No more cards to get. I'm just looking for the possibilities. This is not an enzyme. Alright, so I guess I'm done. And there you go. Here's your carbohydrate.
Okay.
Did you already put it there?
No.
You had 2 of them left.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So you had the most. 6. Oh, I could have did this. I'm sorry. Let me see if it makes it. No, I can't because it's a gray marker. Yeah, I couldn't do jack. Okay. I should have kept my blue to the end. 9.
You're red. You pink,
13.
you mean.
Yeah, so you beat me by 1. You get 2 points. Yeah, I know you're further ahead, sweetie.
Okay.
I just messed up.
That's all right.
I may have one more point there. I don't think it's going to make a difference.
Maybe I missed out on lots of 4 points. I don't know.
The point is this: we might have had one switch up for sure. Now, you might have 2 additional points, and now you just got there. I don't know. I don't remember what happened. We'll rewind the tape and look. No.
No.
Okay, so what's this? Where'd this come from? Oh, it moved by accident. Okay, you get 8 for your 2 additional. Okay, you have 97. Now let me look at my additional points here. Okay, this card, I get times 2 from where I'm at. So I get 4. You get 8 because you have the same card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I get a point for every CO2, so moving up 6. And there's no end game scoring here. Just give me all your cards, please. Okay. Nothing, nothing, nothing. You get 2, I already did that. And you get 1 for every water, so that's 6. You go up 6 more. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, you beat me.
I beat him.
And so that's 91 to 111. So you did a lot better this
Yeah,
time.
a lot better.
I was a little slow with the
Okay.
getting things out there.
It's all right.
Yeah. Even if we messed up on the vacuole here, it might be a situation like this where I have an additional, because it's double 2 points and maybe you're down 2 points, you still kick my butt, even if I messed that up.
Oh, thank you.
So, very good.
Thank you, honey.
So that was fun, huh?
That was fun.
More fun this time when you win, right?
No, I think I got it a little bit better this time.
Yeah, because you were figuring out, since the first time Julie didn't play with the cards. She just ignored it entirely. But this time she didn't, and that's why she was more competitive. So good job.
Thank you.
All right, so please check out our review.
Yep.
And please don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yep. Thanks for watching with us, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.